Everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are just going to do a kind of recap of revenue cloud so that from the next video we can start some hands-on implementation, get our revenue cloud org and do some revenue cloud settings, right? So let's quickly start with whatever we have done till now. We have already understood business rule engine and context service in the previous videos, right? So in this video what we are going to think of is like how does revenue cloud is helpful to you, right? So initially we used to have sales cloud, right? So it was a very easy concept. You got some lead, you converted it to opportunity, then you are selling some product. Once the opportunity is closed one, it was pretty simple like that. Okay, so imagine that I have a company and we sell TVs. I got to know somebody is interested. I added them as lead. Then I got to know that it's a prospecting customer. I can convert an opportunity for them, right? And once the negotiation happen, and then after that they just simply bought my product, which was one TV. Very simple in Sales Cloud. Okay, but what happened if my company dealt with a lot more things like B2B, B2C? A person can get one TV, a person can get 100 TVs, or they can get additional accessories. They can have timely upgrades, right? Like within 2 years you have to upgrade, right, our TV again and again. So all these things were pretty not simple concepts that could be handled by Sales Cloud, right? So that's where a company Steel Brick came into picture, and they created some software which we call today as CPQ, configure price quote, right? What it used to do: configure the products, get the prices, right, and send the quotes. This was the whole process, which we act basically in Salesforce we take it as a managed package, meaning we cannot directly change the code for the same, right? And it was basically enhancing the sales process because we are using it with Sales Cloud, right? So now what was happening, we used to create a CPQ quote. Once the quote is approved, we used to send it to the customer, right? And the contract signing used to happen. That's it. Okay, in real time what happened is that now I have already created a lots of codes, but I still see, okay, last month we have created these many codes, they were sent to customers, the contract was created, but I still see that I just wanted to check who all have paid the amounts, right? What's my latest bank statement, how much cash I have, right? So in this scenario, CPQ won't be able to help because it's just a software which enhances your sales process, right? It's not a software which will be able to handle your cash thing, right? So that's where Revenue Cloud comes into picture. Revenue Cloud has a 8 stage process where starting from the lead till the point when the customer the invoicing happens, the customer pays the amount, right? And after that renewable, if there is a product which has to be renewed, right, then again it comes back to the quote, and again the generation happen of the quote as soon as the renewation needs to be done, renewable needs to be done, right? So this was the entire concept of Revenue Cloud, where Revenue Cloud is focused more on the revenue, means money, right? How much money came to you, how much cash you created from that entire system, whereas CPQ focuses more on the sales part, right? That how much sales you have done, right, to smoothen that process. I hope the differences are pretty much clear. In the next video we are going to install developer edition org, and we are going to do some Revenue Cloud settings so that we can start hands-on implementation from the next video. Thank you so much. Let me know how was this video and how much it's being clear, or any feedbacks you have. Have a great day. Bye.